Kelly from Champions has bathroom leakage.
It's with her vanity. Let's just be clear what we're talking about.
Because if it was a guy, I'd tell him go see your prostate.
That's exactly what I'm thinking. All right. So Kelly writes to us though. I have this leakage in one of my bathroom vanities and some mold. See that happening underneath?
Yeah.
There? Okay. So it's in a townhouse where she says I'm connected to another unit. Tom. So what would you suggest she do to fix this problem?
Well, the mold you got to clean up. The other way to fix that, because I'm not sure if it's leaking from the top or the P-trap or where it's leaking from, or it could be the strainer up under the sink. It's a call to abacus. Have them reset the sink because something is dripping somewhere in there. And if you're not an experienced plumber, and plumbing is really difficult sometimes to deal with. There's like 8 different places that could be leaking in that picture, right? So call a plumber, have the leak fixed, clean it all up. Underneath cabinets, they get that way. It should be fine. Don't let it go. And right now, if it's leaking, a pan.
I'm thinking.
So it doesn't destroy the bottom of your cabinet. Okay.
True. Good idea. Now, you were talking before. That's not mold, then. That's mildew.
That's all surface because it's dripping on top.
Okay. But I do like this. If you look back at the picture, she's got this odor eater thing in there.
Put a pan under there. Come on, catch it till you get it fixed.
Do the job. All right. We'll do the job for you. Send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We got a lot of videos up here, and you can subscribe to our channel and see them all.